This video is brought to you by Super Bowl, an interesting puzzle platformer that you can download on your PC or Android. Download it using the link given in the description below. Well, don't get too excited. It's just me for the rest of the video. Welcome to Devlog number 9 of Remaking Doom. In this video, we are going to finalize the pathfinding system so that we can finally get to creating the states in the next video. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, in the last video, we had a pretty solid system in place for the pathfinding, but there's one problem: it doesn't do obstacle avoidance. So, that's the step we are going to add in this video. To do that, we are going to use this cool on trigger enter function, and then we are just going to check if it's like in an array called collision layers, and if that's the case, then we are going to do something to change the direction and pick a random direction to move it. But first, this large empty room is kind of bugging me. I mean, it's just a big fat cube if you look at it from outside. So first, let's add some decoration with any using property. Then I just extruded a plane and created this and flipped the normals, and this is what the new room looks like. So this is what the new room looks like after a little bit of modeling. So as you can see, we have it's a pretty nice looking room, and we have this area over here which is kind of like, it's a secret hiding place, and then we have this huge bar which separates this from a kind of a secret place, and then just let me kill this guy, it's kind of bugging me. And then we have that area where it's kind of goes down. You can still jump out of it, it's all fine. And of course, we have our good old trusty cube right there where it's supposed to be. So yeah, a pretty good looking room. Then I decided that I was pretty tired of programming, so let's focus on the art aspect of the game for a little bit now. By art, I mean I'm going to make new sound effects, because seriously, the current sound effects suck literally. To do that, I'm going to use this cool program called SFXR. So you can basically choose one of these options and it will play the sound based on the type, and it has some pretty awesome sound effects. And if you click the randomize button, it will create a completely random sound. So yeah, pretty cool thing. And you can always change these sliders and tweak the buttons to match your preference and then you can click the play sound button to play the sound. So it's a pretty awesome program, and I think it's time that we go to creating a good sounding shoot sound for our gun. But after tweaking a lot of the settings, I ended up just googling a sound effect and downloading it, and this is what it sounds like. I don't know if it's any better, but it sounds pretty good to me. Now I have finalized the pathfinding system, but we'll discuss more of that in the next episode, and I'm going to wrap up this video right now. So don't forget to join my Discord, the link is in the description, and with that, bye.